Hi guys, my name is Hiya. In this video, I'll show you how to make easy paper bangles. So let's get started. Let's make the first bangle. Take a square size paper and fold it in half diagonally. You can draw any design of your choice on two adjacent sides of the sheet as shown. Now fold the paper diagonally, making sure the design is visible. Next, flip the paper and keep on folding till the end as shown. Then secure the end with glue. To get the perfect size of your bangle, cut the thinner part from both the sides if required. Fold one side a bit to make it easier to slide it into the other side of the paper roll. Glue on the folded side and slide it into the other side of the paper roll. Fix the circle a bit as shown to make it even. Now your bangle is ready. Doesn't it look so beautiful? Now let's make the second bangle. Take two thin strips and glue them as shown. Keep on folding like this till the end. Then you can add more strips if required as shown. Repeat the same process of folding as the previous strips. Check your wrist size and cut the extra strip if any, then glue the ends together. Now our bangle is ready. This is how it looks when I wear it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye.